Filipino or in vernacular. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the final question goes like this. The title of Mutya ng Bulacan is not just a crown. It is a responsibility to serve and uplift the community while embodying grace, intelligence, and compassion. A true Mutya should be a beacon of hope, advocating for positive change and inspiring others to believe in their potential. Now, why should you be chosen as the next Mutya ng Bulacan 2024? And what specific initiatives would you champion to make a lasting impact in your community?
We can't deny that we have a lot of families who are walking out of the school year here in Bulacan. And if we do not do something to address this issue, it will definitely affect our well-being. If I will win tonight and crown as the Mutya ng Bulacan 2024, I will use my voice to influence the youth of how education impacts our community and our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, as a future educator and an advocate for quality education, I strongly believe that education is the foundation of a brighter tomorrow. Maayong gabi ug daghang salamat.
Thank you so much, Mutya number 8. Then you're gonna relax backstage. Alright, now this time we would now like to request our second finalist, Mutya number 4. Ayan, truly tonight, I know that our judges will really had a hard time in scrutinizing all the answers of our ladies, but I know kaya niyo talaga yan. Luckily, and this year is sitting in front. Inyo din ang pinakabukat na trabaho karon. Because whatever happens for tonight's competition lies in your hand. But of course, I know behind the short preparation of our candidates tonight, naringkamot yung gihapon silang tanan to make an impact in this evening competition. So to all our event organizers, barangay SK official, kudos po for successfully conducting this year's celebration of beauty and of course empowerment. Now allow me also to inform everyone that tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be having the culmination program and atong Thanksgiving Mass magsugod sa alas 8 sa buntag. And after the Thanksgiving Mass, we will proceed right away to the culmination program. And pagkahapon, ano ba ito event pagkahapon? Alright, and pagkagabi na tayo big disco. Ayan, what yun yung magibuhihan ng 1-5. Alright, good evening, Mutya number 4. How are you feeling tonight that you are part of our top 3 finalists?
I was surprised, kaya wala ko na-expect na ma-feeling ko na
Ano man ang kanaugot na? Why nagpugong? Sorry lang. Alright, expect the unexpected and we just hope now that he can nail this round for sure, right? Unta. So relax lang. Itago sa ng 1-5 din. Tagaitag 5% na naon yan. Okay, asa mo mama? Hello po sa mama. Dili taguan ha. Sabi ning inahanong ako lang tag. Sabi ning inahanong kay sila lang po yung gamit sa kwarta sila anak. Sorry lang. Sorry lang. May joke lang tuha kasi maninood ang tanan. Ayun. After all, ihatag yun sa ginikanan. No? And return to their effort na padakon mo maayo. Dili din na. Okay. Nagkaroon kayo nag-cheetah dili. Are you ready for the final question? Ay, siguro pa. Let's make it to 100%. Again, are you ready for the final question?
I'm ready.
Okay. I'll read it to you the question. And you can answer to any language that you're comfortable to speak with. It's either English, Filipino, or vernacular. And the final question goes like this. The title of Mutya ng Bulacan is not just a crown. It is a responsibility to serve and uplift the community while embodying grace, intelligence, and compassion. A true Mutya should be a beacon of hope, advocating for positive change and inspiring others to believe in their potential. Now, Mutya number 4. Why should you be chosen as the next Mutya ng Bulacan 2024? And what specific initiative would you champion to make a lasting impact in your community?
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for that question. If I were to become the Mutya ng Bulacan 2024, my first step to take is to promote a project that I will be calling DKK. DKK stands for Dunggo ng Katawan Alang sa Kaugmao. Kaugmaon are the future of our community. Because a society cannot be called a society itself without the consideration and unity. And I believe that each of us here in Barangay Bulacan has the right to be considered and to be validated. And by considering and by validating every individual's concern, we can make a better community where everyone has the chance to succeed and to contribute meaningfully. Thank you!
Thank you so much! Mutya number 4. Of course, we would now like to request our Mutya number 5. Please join us here on stage. Grabe naman! All of our candidates have prepared tonight, truly. Again po, to all our guests or audience who are here right now, hindi po given yung final question natin. On the spot po yun. So, I must say claps to all our ladies. Grabe dyan nila ang preparation for tonight's event. Truly deserve to be part of our top 3 finalists. For sure, naglakit na yung mga ulo nilang Davita. Still have 1 candidate left. And let's see what she can offer in tonight's event. Again, Mutya number 5, join us here. Now we can really see later on who will be among us 3 lovely ladies who will be this year's Mutya ng Bulacan 2024. And for everybody information that the Mutya ng Bulacan 2024 winners will represent Barangay Bulacan on next year Mutya ng Malalag. So she should be a woman who is actually holistic, a beauty, a brain, and also, of course, she must also take poise and bearing. Ayan. There you go. We have our last candidate for tonight. Mutya number 5. Okay, how was the feeling? Ano mo tiwang tingog dito? Nakay nakitan sa tubangan? Wala po. Okay, so fair dyan tanan. Diba si ating-ating rato dito kao ganina? But anyhow, are you ready for the final question? Ayan, ready na dyan. Okay, since you are ready, the final question, you can answer it to any language that you're comfortable to stick with. It's either English, Filipino, or vernacular. No time limit tayo. And the final question goes like this. The title of Mutya ng Bulacan is not just a crown. It is a responsibility to serve and uplift the community while embodying grace, intelligence, and compassion. Now, a true Mutya should be a beacon of hope, advocating for positive change and inspiring others to believe in their potential. Now, Mutya number 5, why should be chosen as the next Mutya ng Bulacan 2024? And what specific initiatives would you champion to make a lasting impact?
For me, para sa kuha, kung ako man ang mapili karong Mutya ng Barangay Bulacan, I aim to inspire positive change, empowering my community, and leave a lasting legacy. And I thank you.
Short but sweet. Thank you so much. Mutya number 5. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The final question and answer round. Palakpakan naman natin our top 3 finalists. Now this time, let me ask everyone, sino sa tingin ninyo ang mananalo ngayong gabi? Sino? How about this side? Sino? Ayan at the center, who do you think will win the crowd? Ayan si ate na lang din nagpabili eh. Now later on everyone, we will be able to find out who among our top 3 finalists will be this year's Mutya ng Bulacan 2024. But for the meantime, at this junction folks, let us now pave way to our reigning Mutya ng Bulacan 2023 in her farewell walk.
An incredible experience filled with fun, friendships, and memories I cherish forever. Thank you to everyone supporting me, especially to my lovely wife, my family, boyfriend, to my friends, and to my broken teams. I am so grateful for the opportunity to have shared the stage with such amazing women. My Mutya ng Malalag and Mutya ng Bulacan journey has been more than just a competition. It's been a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. I may not be able to conquer the ground, but I've learned so much about myself and the power of believing in my dreams. As I stand here tonight, I am filled with a mix of emotions. There is a bittersweet feeling of saying goodbye to this incredible experience, but also a sense of excitement for what's to come. This pageant has been a transformative journey, and I'm forever grateful for the lessons I've learned and the connections I've made. I'll carry the memories and the friendships with me always. To all young women watching, remember that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Go out there, chase your passions, and never stop believing in yourself. As this chapter closes, I am excited for what the future holds, and I'll carry them throughout my journey. This is 3C Olivia, your Mutya ng Bulacan 2023, signing off.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our reigning Mutya ng Bulacan 2023. Let's give a round of applause to Miss Chrissy Arigidon. Ayan. Congratulations. Chrissy, we are all proud of your reign, and thank you so much for always raising the banner of Barangay Bulacan. At this point in time, in part of our celebration, we are now going to hand in our certificate of appreciation to our esteemed panel of experts. I would now like to request our barangay and SK officials to please join us here on stage. Barangay officials and SK officials to please join us here on stage. And can I have the certificate, please? Barangay officials, dito na tayo sa taas, and SK officials. And can I have the certification, please? Ayan, dito tayo. Alright, before we get the certificate, allow me to read the citation of this certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Davao Sur, Municipality of Malalag, Barangay Bulacan. Certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to you for their invaluable service and expertise as judge during the Mutya ng Bulacan 2024. A highlight of the 34th Araw ng Barangay Bulacan celebration held on November 17, 2024 at Barangay Gymnasium. Your dedication and support greatly contributed to the success of the event, inspiring unity, creativity among our community members. Given this November 17, 2024 at Barangay Bulacan, Malalag, Davao Sur. Signed, Bonong Barangay, we have Honorable Alberto Pragat, and SK Chairperson, we have Honorable Michael Sandmedes. Ladies and gentlemen, certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Ms. Jackie L. Bernia. And another certificate of appreciation is given to our judge number 2. We have Trinoli Lansar. Our judge number 3 at the same time, our chairman of the board, we have Miss Donabel Ribuyas. So all our judges, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise in tonight's competition. Again, thank you so much. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan natin this year's Mundial ng Bulacan, our Steve Panam experts. And thank you also to our barangay and SC officials. Well, this up, ladies and gentlemen. Truly, today marks another milestone here at Barangay Bulacan. But before we know who will be our winners for this year's competition, this time, folks, let's welcome once again our top 3 finalists in their final walk. Beginning with our Mutya number 8. Mutya number 4. And we have finalist number 5. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mutya ng Bulacan, top 3 finalists in their final walk. Palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. Truly, this ladies embodies what it takes to be a Bulacan. Palakpakan naman natin everyone. At this time, I know that the result is already ready. Can I ask now the result? Alright, do we have the result already? There you go. again sa ato ang mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po, Barangay and SK Official. Thank you so much. To our official tabulators, dagan kaayong salamat. To our IT, ayan, i-mention dyan ko rin kasi yung nag-layout sa ito ang mga ganap karong at gabiuna. Thank you so much. Doc John Lord Ahit, maraming salamat to. Ayan. The person behind our media for tonight. Maraming salamat. And to all our live audience, na sa ito ang Facebook page karon. Ayan, maraming salamat for tuning in. And this year's Mutihan ng Bulacan 2024. Now this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin announcing first this year's Mutihan ng Bulacan second runner-up.
To present the second runner-up award, we are request Honorable Jelly Topic, Honorable Prisana Santiago, and Judge number 1, Miss Jackie Pernia, and she will receive in cash, in trophy, in bouquet, and the sash.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Mutihan ng Bulacan 2024 second runner-up, we have Mutihan number. Sino? You are our second runner-up, Mutihan number. Ayan, allow me also to thank our officials, DJ, dagan kayong salamat. And to our, of course, ayan, network operator, maraming salamat at tagawan, mga Mulder Lights and Sound, thank you so much. Also to the Nene Race event, our makeup artist also, we have MJ, ayan, Ray Tungal, and also, ayan, Bertod, ayan. Bertod lang yung ang pwede na siya na-enhance. Ladies and gentlemen, Mutihan ng Bulacan second runner-up, she is Mutihan number. Congratulations, Mutihan number 5. Congratulations, Mutihan number 5, our Mutihan ng Bulacan second runner-up. And maraming salamat also to our presenters. Now this time I would like to request our two remaining ladies to please be at the center stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I am now going to announce first our Mutihan ng Bulacan first runner-up. And the number that I will not be calling automatically, she is our Mutihan ng Bulacan 2024.
To present the first runner-up award, we are request Honorable Michael Seth Menes, Honorable Mona Lisa Heberola, and Judge number 2, Noli Lansar Jr. In trophy, a bouquet, and a sash. And to present the Mutihan ng Bulacan 2024, we request Honorable Alberto A. Braga, and the chairman of the Board of Judges, Ms. Dorabel Libuyas, and Honorable Marilos Sinisabal. With the reigning queen, Chrissy Aridido.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, to our two remaining ladies, this is the most important role that you have to remember. If any reason that our reigning queen cannot fulfill her duty, automatically the first runner-up will take her place. Again, I will announce first this year's Mutihan ng Bulacan first runner-up. And the number that I will not be calling, she is the Mutihan ng Bulacan 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, Mutihan ng Bulacan 2024 first runner-up, she is Mutihan number Ladies and gentlemen, Mutya ng Bulacan 2024 is Mutya number 8. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin this year's Mutya ng Bulacan 2024, Mutya number 8. Once again, isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan sa this year's Mutya ng Bulacan, Mutya number 8 from Purok, Bumbin. Alright, thank you also to our presenters. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, presenter. Now this time, ladies and gentlemen, to our new Mutya ng Bulacan 2024, you can now take your first walk. Once again, everyone, isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan to our new Mutya ng Bulacan 2024, Mutya number 8. Mutya ng Bulacan edition. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan. Alright, this time I would like to request our ladies. Surely tonight is indeed a beautiful evening here at Barangay Bulacan. And I'm surely saying, hopefully, that this celebration will continue until the next generation. My name is Howell Isol Mansalaya saying, may the Lord can bless us all, signing off. And this is Mutya ng Bulacan 2024 Run Coronation Night. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi sa ating lahat. This time, we would like to request our judges to have photo op together with our winners. After that, our barangay officials. After the barangay officials, SK officials. Okay, judges, join us here po for a photo op. Hello to join us, Joy. Again, tomorrow will be the culmination process.